Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage onion pakoda. First, gather your fresh ingredients. 1 cup of finely shredded cabbage, 1 large onion thinly sliced, and about 1/2 cup of graham flour. You'll also need some rice flour for crispiness, along with ginger, green chilies, and a few common spices. Ensure all your vegetables are prepped and ready to go. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your shredded cabbage and sliced onion. Add the graham flour, rice flour, and all your spices, including finely chopped ginger and green chilies. Mix everything together well, gradually adding just enough water to form a thick, cohesive batter that holds its shape without being too runny. It's time to fry. Heat your cooking oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop small, irregular portions of your pakoda batter into it. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry them in batches. Cook until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy on all sides, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes per batch. Your delicious cabbage onion pakoda are now ready. Serve them piping hot with a side of mint chutney, tamarind chutney, or even a simple ketchup. These crispy, flavorful snacks are perfect for an evening tea or as a delightful appetizer for any meal. They're best enjoyed fresh, so gather your loved ones and dig in. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to this recommended book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.